Welcome to part 2 of the country code settings video. Whether you are sending messages from Excel, Google or other files, it is going to be the same. There are 3 options and I will explain each of them to you. Option number 1 is the default country code. This is used when you know that your data is such that the phone number column does not have the country code in it, and you're sending messages to users in only one country. Option number 2 is the number contains country code, and this is used when you know that your data is like this and the phone number column contains the country code already. Like this, for example, I'm showing you here. You can use this option if you want to send messages to users in multiple countries. Option number 3 is country code from column in data. When your data is like this, that you have a separate column for country code and a separate column for phone number, you can use this option. All you need to do is provide where the country code is, so it is in country code. And you can also use this to send messages to users in multiple countries. It is important that you choose the right settings. I see a lot of users make this mistake. They do not pay attention to what kind of data they have and what kind of settings would be applicable to their data. So please be mindful and have a wonderful experience.